my crib. I didn't know you guys were coming. Hello, MTV Cribs. No, just kidding. I feel so Mariah Carey-like. So, I love my new robe. I mean, I love robes. I don't know. I'm a robe girl. I did my makeup today. I didn't know if I could do it after being in the house for a while. I haven't been doing it. So, hello. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Dr. Lauren Elise. I said that like I've been doing YouTubes. I'm so sorry. Oh, wow. However, I should have been doing it this whole time doing COVID, but you know, I was working on other things. I just launched my blog and it's drlaurenelise.com. Make sure you check it out. Put it right here below. Love it. Gonna be talking about all kind of things. This lifestyle. So this is gonna kind of go hand in hand with this. So I want to come in, do a YouTube. I want to show you like what I've done during COVID as far as I've worked from home. Of course, been busy with my business, the Social Media Doctor LLC. Have new clients, my old clients, just doing everything with that. Launched my blog, making sure I do the Zoom calls now that I've started with my mentor organization, my 501c3 nonprofit, Adjust Your Crown Mentoring Incorporated. I've been busy. I've done 2 speaking engagements over the computer. This has been awesome. I've done quite a few upgrades around the house, not like major, but some beautification upgrades. So I'm so excited. So I'm going to show you snippets of that. Also going to show you, I've met some of my neighbors in the neighborhood. I guess I've been too busy, been gone, never met them prior to now, but I'm so glad I met them. So I've had a night, you know, police got called on me, not for like what you think, but yeah, so it was really cool. Love that. Learned a lot of things. Took care of different things in my garden, became a plant mom of 8. Who am I? Like, I don't know. Plant mom, really cared about my garden, did that, redid all the bathrooms, my master bathroom, the guest bathroom, changed a few things around, and then the downstairs bathroom, I just changed some light fixtures to kind of give it a little bit of modern look. So I'm going to give you a snippet of that. I'm also going to brunch with my friend Bree. She's also a makeup artist. She didn't do this today. I did this on my own. Let me get a little closer. Oh, these are Lash Pop lashes, and I forgot that I love them. These are the Red Rari. And yeah, so she did my makeup for my photo shoot last week. So you're going to see that. It's a really cool brunch spot. So I'm going to show you that. Still social distancing. It's outside. We're not right next to a table. I mean, the weather is beautiful here in Atlanta, Georgia. So we have to do a little something. I also bought a small grill, y'all. Let's see how my food is going to come out as far as on the grill. I don't even know how to put the grill together. Might have to call my handyman JT, which shout out to JT. He did all of the painting, the fixtures, everything as far as the upgrades, JT did it. So I'll put his information down below. Make sure you hit him up if you're in the Atlanta, Georgia area. If you need anything done around the house. He even came by 2 days ago to do my little fire pit, which was like probably a simple thing, but when you have tools and stuff, like, honey, no. So stay along for the adventure. Glad you came back. And if you're new to the adventure, honey, hit the subscribe button. So Picturesque 1908, make sure you like, comment, let me know what you think. I'll make sure to try to put as much in the description if you have a question about any of the items. I mean, let's just shop. Let me know if you have a question down below. I'll make sure to answer it. And thank you for coming. Oh, I love this, honey. Yes. Ah, I love you guys. Stay tuned. Hello, welcome to my humble abode. Yes. So I also love this. This is by Vivian, which is a security system. And I love it because it adds security plus the camera instead of doing a ring. They're awesome. They're cost efficient. I love them. They came and installed for free. So if you're looking for a new security system, I will look into Vivian. I also have a code. So if you want both of us to save, I'll also put that down below as well. Okay, so I love Tiffany Blue, so I put pops of Tiffany Blue all in the kitchen. I love Dash products, so all of these are on my Amazon store. So I have a tiny little waffle maker. It makes the cutest waffles. The toaster, I love the NutriBullet. This is what I use to make my smoothies, also my acai bowls. Love it. They didn't have Tiffany Blue with that one, so I just had to get with the silver. Then, of course, I have the air fryer, which I'm so mad that I didn't get into it until after the quarantine hit. I could have been doing wings and all that kind of thing. This is, again, is Dash. Again, you can find this on my Amazon link. So make sure you swipe up. Okay, so I love this Tiffany Blue Keurig. I don't drink coffee, so I bet you're wondering what I drink. So I do either hot cocoa or I love chai tea lattes, and I'm making vanilla. I get the creamer. So this is a staple. I love this. This is also on my Amazon store. I love them. I love candles, like a lot of candles. So one of my favorites right now is the strawberry pound cake. So I have it in different kinds. I also like this banana bundt cake, but this is probably my favorite. I have summer scents. I also like champagne toast. I like it in the candle, but not the wallflower because it's not as strong. Strawberry pound cake is strong, so I like that in the wallflower as well. Love candles, as you can see. So, oh, this bubblegum, I haven't even tried that one. So yeah, I love candles. I also love mugs. So I have all kind of mugs. So I have anything from lipstick. I have these. My little sister got this for me for Christmas. It is Tiffany & Company, of course. This is the map of New York, where the original Tiffany's is on 5th Avenue. This one they don't sell anymore, but it's so cute and signature. I have this. I got most of these from like TJ Maxx and Marshalls. I love handbags, which I do. This one says, lipstick is a girl's best friend. I got two of the bags. 2 of the goggles and grind, and that is from what is called Grind Pretty. I have all kind of stuff. What is this one back here? Another, I love handbags. I also have some unicorns back here. So unicorns, I woke up like this, another unicorn. I got this beautiful mug from when I went to Greece. Let me get this one out. So I love Santorini. I went this past year for my birthday. How cute. It looks just like the whole city. Love it. So I do love mugs, like girly mugs or meaningful mugs. So clearly I like all things Tiffany. So yeah, that's that. I also have some china that my mom gave me. It has 24 karat gold rims. So I have everything that matches this. Love it. I pull it out every now and then. I have the bowls, the saucer, the plates. That's for whenever I have a cake. I don't drink, but those are cute for collectors. All right, this is the half bath downstairs. And I've actually changed out the light fixture. It was an older one, so now it is more modern. Also changed out these. So yeah, keep this a little cute because it's a little small bathroom downstairs. I love this little nook area. So her name is Chanel as well. She's actually a Christmas tree. That's for the first time this year I did Christmas tree. So for sure, in November, I'll do the YouTube of how I did the Christmas tree, and I'm not that artistic, so trust me. If I can do it, you can do it. But in the off season, she is my model for my Poshmark closet, so I appreciate her. Also, people take pictures here in this lovely mirror. I got this from IKEA years ago, but I love it. Fresh carpet, clean lines. So stay tuned to see more of my house. my favorite. It is so pretty, as you can see. It's all sparkles. Right now, my favorite scent is Strawberry Pound Cake at Bath & Body Works. I love it in the candles, the wallflowers. It is strong. It smells good and sweet. It's like a sweet and fruit mixed together. It's my favorite. I have to buy more because I know it's going to go away for the next season. And I don't want it to ever go away. But I also have the cutest candle holder. So how cute is this? It is so cute. And of course, champagne toast. I like that as a candle. Just not strong enough in the wallflower. Got this years ago. I know I get a lot of questions about that. It was at a boutique. I guess they stopped selling them, but this is 2014. Of course, this came from my Amazon. You can get it at Amazon. I have my link down below. All right, so now that I'm a new plant mom, thanks to COVID-19, I started off with just my peace lily that I got from my Flossy Posse, which are my best friends back at home. My grandmother passed in January of last year, but now I've went crazy, so I'm introduce you to them. So this here is my newest baby. This is Christian. This is Pearl, and I love her. She's a polka dot plant. She's so cute. I actually got this from Publix. I was like, what? So cute. I also got this one from Publix as well. Of course, since I'm a member of Alpha Kappa Alpha Sorority Incorporated, I had to get an ivy. So I got this one from Home Depot and just repotted her. She's so cute and small. Then this one is Tiffany. She's hydrangea. I got her from Home Depot. I got to learn how to do it a little better. I know they said that you have to water her like every other day. So I'm getting better. I'm trying. Let's keep speaking life into her because I don't know. I'm trying. All right. Next up, we have Chanel. She's an orchid. I got her from Whole Foods, and she's doing pretty well. Like, I've had her for a few weeks. She's lasting. She's looking cute. She loves the sun. Now, this is my oldest baby. This is Louie. So this is my peace lily. However, her lilies do not grow out. I don't know what that's about, but this is the one that I got when my grandmother passed away. So I've been trying to keep her alive really well. I've repotted her into this beautiful pot. I got this from Big Lots. Very cheap, but it's cute. It goes with the decor. So yeah. Now let's go outside and I can show you those babies. Okay, so the previous homeowner built an in-spring outdoor back patio, which I'm so grateful. You see how it's supposed to look? The townhouse next to me, but honey, I haven't utilized it like I should, so I changed the ceiling fan. It was an older white one that was supposed to be for indoor, so it wilted. But now I have a cool outdoor. I added the extension because I'm only 5'4", so I can reach it. It's wonderful. Let's actually turn that on a little bit. All right, so this is Laurent. She is a calla lily. I got these babies yesterday. How beautiful. This is Coco. So I'm excited. I've repotted her for the first time last night very successfully. Don't mind the little dirt. But yes, I repotted her. You have to pull the whole thing. I'm getting better at it. So I think I didn't do as good with her because some of her roots are not all the way intact. But this one I did perfect because that was the original Coco, honey. She was not acting right. This is my favorite, the dragon lilies, but they all fell off. So I only have one more that's trying to come out. So she's in the corner so she can get it together. So yeah, I've had this. I got this from Big Lots years ago, but I just didn't utilize it like I should. But now, honey, I'm here. It's peaceful. I even got a fire pit. So I found this place called Ollie's thanks to my neighbor, Shara. And this is like $24. So I got some of the eco wood that I'm gonna put here. We can do s'mores. I also got a tiny grill I haven't put together yet. But I'm gonna also do something for Memorial Day weekend. But it is so cool. Like, and then that's why I got the grill mat. The grill mat so that way it won't mess up the deck. I love it here. I have some rose bushes back here as well that grow like in the front. But my HOA didn't cut the other ones, so they didn't do too well. And I'm not like the best. I'm trying to get a green thumb. But yes, I love this little area. I've sat out here for hours now. It's just so peaceful. As you can hear the birds chirping. But yeah, I love it. Made sure I made everything match. So cute. This time has really made you be grateful and appreciate the things that are already around you. So I'm grateful. This is such a cute little ceiling fan. I got this from Home Depot. My front garden, I came out here during the daylight so you can see them. We have daffodils, the rose bushes. These grow back every year, so I'm grateful that the previous homeowner, she had already planted them. So they come back. They do need to be cut down completely at like maybe right before winter. So yeah, these are like, they're reddish kind of, but I think they're supposed to be hot pink. But let's keep going. Again, I love my solar lights. See, they're soaking up the sun so they can come on tonight. My pink ones, they're a little sad right now, but they'll get back together. I have a lot of bushes. This tree is really pretty. It grows like these little pink things and they kind of bloom. More bushes. It's beautiful out here. And I have some hot pink ones here at the end. They're a little sad as well, but they're getting better. They're so pretty. So this is the color I think is at the end too. So it's more of like a hot pink. Very pretty. I have more over here. If my neighbors see me, I look like Mariah Carey for real. I am outside in a satin fur robe. And I don't give a crap, okay? Judge your mammy. All right, so this is an azalea bush. It grows back every year. However, it doesn't last as long. Like when they bloom, they kind of die, as you can see immediately. But it's so pretty. So it doesn't last long. But when it's here, it's beautiful. Love it. There's a neighbor rides by. Hey, Mariah Carey. So one of the many things that I've added to my house during this time of COVID-19, these beautiful solar lights. Oh, that was lightning. Wasn't expecting that. Get inside before it starts. But how cute are they? So solar lights, I'll show you guys how it works. Here, this collects sunlight all during the day. These come on magically as soon as it gets dark. No electricity bill, just beautiful. And you can get these from Amazon. The thunder is just background noise, kind of like if I was a radio host. So yeah, you can get these on Amazon. I will put the link down below. I'll show you my flowers during the day, but they're beautiful. Let me get in the house before I'm scared, but I love the fact that it makes this little shadow onto the ground. It's so cute. Very cost efficient. So love them, and I'll show you some more around the house of my new additions. Look at that. Like, how did I not know about that? Because I seen it in my neighbor's house, and I thought this whole time they were using electricity. I'm a diva. I'm a diva. I'm a diva.